I don't have the microphone set up. That's professional. That's very professional. Incredibly professional. Let's... Alright. So, first off, we want to talk about the next update to JoiBoi, who is our adorable little boy. At the moment, I do want to stress that the next update for JoiBoi won't be out for a while. We will be updating a few things today. JoiBoi is not one of them. But we have some exciting things to share, so let me get right to that. So when we updated JoiBoi to use Discord.js version 13, we broke so much. We broke so many things. We're gonna be fixing them. That's like the first thing I've written here. Like, we plan on fixing these features as soon as we can. There's no ETA at the moment, but we're working on it. So that begs the question: what are we announcing today? Well, hold on to your seat. So, officially, we're going to be working on slash commands. So everything, we're planning to be using slash commands, right? So that's the thing where you type backslash on your keyboard and you get like a list of commands pop up, and you can select one and you get like all different options for different things you can choose. So we're going to be integrating all of our commands, all of JoiBoi's commands into that, right? And we'll also be updating older commands to use features of the current Discord API version. So this means buttons will come into the suggestion system. I don't know if you're announcing absolutely nothing. What's that supposed to... What? Is my mic not working? Is my mic not working? What? What do you mean I'm announcing absolutely nothing? I'm announcing a lot of stuff. Why are you so mean? I also have to like turn my head to look at the chat. That is very well not ideal. What do you mean absolutely nothing? I have a few things that I'm announcing. I actually got a lot of things that I'm announcing. But yeah, so the suggestion system is getting a major upgrade. We'll be using buttons to have upvotes and downvotes, and will allow commands for approving, denying, and editing suggestions. So soon, suggestions that you see in suggestions channels, like the ones on our... I like to do a little trolling. I hate you. So if you look at the suggestions channel on our Discord, I don't know if it's set up as a suggestions channel through the bot, but so it pops up with an embed and it allows you to upvote and downvote. That's all it does. That's all it does at the moment. The plan is to update it so you can edit your suggestion. Server admins and stuff can approve or deny a suggestion and be like, oh hey, you know, this is coming, oh no, yeah, no, we can't do that, sorry. Sorry, bro. The bot will also allow, the bot will have a feature to where server owners and stuff can allow the bot to open a thread every time a new suggestion is created. So instead of, trying to talk in the suggestions channel following a thing, it instead creates a thread so that you can see every single thing. So you can, talk about the suggestion, discuss the suggestion, and be like, oh, hey, I'd like this feature, but only if it added this, or if it, didn't do this sort of thing. Suggestions will also be given unique IDs so that when they're referred to on an internal scale within staff channels or edited by the user, to be more clear on what they mean. Okay. My English skills are not up to par when I wrote this. I must have been exhausted. the bot will be able to detect how many characters within a initial suggestion. Specifically because Discord Nitro recently added the ability for up to 4,000 characters within a message, right? And that means that with current embed limitations, which is only 4,000 something characters in total, like in the whole embed, we can decrease the total amount of we can decrease the amount of what was I trying to say? We can decrease the amount of characters that users can use. It'll send a message to the user being like, oh, hey, you've gone over the character limit, sort of thing. We'll also be allowing server owners to increase or decrease that character limit based on their personal needs, sort of thing. It will have a maximum of limit, but yeah. Things like stickers and uploads will not be sent in an embed, specifically because there's a API limitation with that. I mean, technically, I could get the upload anything uploaded to the message, but the issue with that is I then have to download the file onto my internal onto my server, and then I have to re-upload it to Discord, which yeah, no, I'm not doing that. Y'all can send viruses to Discord all you want. I'm not opening up the ability for people to send viruses to my server. But yeah, so the thing will automatically handle uploads and stickers by deleting them from the message and not dealing anything with them besides from that. Alright, next official announcement for JoiBoi, right? So, you know how recently lots of servers, including our own, have had people coming in spamming, hey, get Discord Nitro for free with Steam, airdropped right to your device? Well, we're actually working on a thing for that. So because those links are 99.9% of the time viruses or actually engineered to steal your account, we're going to be working on a feature that just gets rid of it. Just poof, gone. Alright, so it's very similar to how on Facebook people's accounts get hacked and then they send a news report that has a really frightening image. Like in my case, it was a car crash. One of my friends sent a their account was hacked, obviously, and they had posted on Facebook a link that had a picture of a very obviously fatal car crash, and said, "Oh, hey, this happened yesterday in our area." But secretly, the actual link itself is an account stealing thing. So I'm just like, oh, hey, you know, this is sus. I don't remember hearing about any car crashes in my area. I don't think this is real. So I was like, oh, hey, you know, this is obviously a scam. You know, warn my friends, be like, hey, don't click this link this person sent because it's obviously a scam. It will steal your account, and sort of thing. So we're doing what we can to eliminate that from Discord, at least. So what the bot will do is sometimes user gets sometimes user does get their account back, and they do get really confused if they get banned from different servers and crap like that. So what we're doing to help avoid that confusion and to help users be able to rejoin a server that they, you know, were in a community for, is we will be soft banning the user. So soft ban in Discord terms is Okay, it's a ban, but it's also an unban straight away. So the bot will ban the user. Well, before it bans the user, it'll send them a message saying, "Oh, hey, you were banned for this, this, and this. We think your account was stolen," sort of thing. Here's a link to get back if you ever want to come back, sort of thing. So it sends you that, and then it bans you, and then it quickly unbans you. However, because we know that can be a little insecure, like we don't want, if the user can't get their account back, we don't want them coming back into a server and spamming the message again. So if they come back a second time, and or however many amount of times the actual server decides to define in the bot settings, the user will then be permanently banned. Just because, it can be incredibly insecure to send the user, like, quickly unban the user and send them a link back to the guild, just in case that user's account is still vulnerable, like, still hacked, and that user still decides to come back and spam those messages. So it's sort of, it's a contingency sort of thing. Anyway, on to the next announcement. So I add stream marker, I think. Yeah, okay, that means when I'm editing I can fix stuff up. I think the next announcement is actually pretty exciting. I am very excited for this next announcement. This is the one that I was like up all night like, oh my god, I gotta make sure this is, no, not last night, the night before. I was like, oh my god, I'm so excited for this announcement. I gotta hurry up and finish getting everything prepared. So, we all know about Dismon, right? It's our most I think it's our most popular bot. Yeah, I think it's our most popular bot. It is used to get information from any Pokemon item or type in the from the Pokemon games, right? So you do slash Pokédex Eevee, and you get the information for Eevee. So we're making changes to that. Recently, we updated it to include slash commands. Unfortunately, we had to get rid of both the item dex and the type dex commands when we updated it, because we didn't, like, I didn't have the time to actually finish that. So today, literally today, after this whole stream, I'll be releasing an update to this bot that will bring back both of those commands. And I've written here, for some reason, even though I knew it wasn't possible, and if time permits, add our new slash command handler. No, that's not something that's coming. That's not coming for a little bit. I unfortunately could not get that done. So both commands will be re-added. They have been altered for use within Discord JS version 13. We're still looking into adding multiple language support. It's not something that we want to that we'll be able to do for a while, and I will definitely let you guys know when it comes out. But anyway, on to the next big update. Ooh. So the Pokédex command is getting changes. So with the new slash command system, we can make it more obvious when commands require extra information in order to execute aside from the base message command. So instead of just doing slash Pokédex, like, instead of, seeing the command and being like, oh, hey, it's just slash Pokédex, the actual slash command feature tells you that it also requires the Pokemon name, right? So what we're going to be doing is adding the ability for y'all to change the information that you get from the Poke API, which is what we're using to gather Pokemon information. So starting with this update, when you type slash Pokédex, you'll have the option to include Pokemon generation and form. False, actually. Generation was not added. We will not be adding generation yet. That is something I need to work on. I don't think Poke API actually has the ability to get the information on a Pokemon from a specific generation yet. this means you can get the specific information from that Pokemon from a specific generation. No. But you can get the specific information for a specific Pokemon's form. Unfortunately, when I looked into this, there isn't much information based on forms. You get things like whether the Pokemon is a Mega, whether the form is a Mega form, or whether the form is, say, just an alternate form or whatever. So that's literally all the information you get from that. I don't know why I hyped it up so much. It will also be removing a heap of the information from the basic embed. So if you actually... So right now, if you go to Discord and you type /Pokédex and then a Pokemon name, you get a heap of information. Most of it you don't even need to know just yet. So what we'll be doing, instead of having that all just there, we'll be adding an extra subcommand to the Pokédex command, which is literally labeled advanced, right? So this advanced option gives you every single bit of information about that Pokemon that we have gathered, and it allows you to see everything instead of, just a small amount that we'll be having in the basic thing. We're also going to be making underlying changes to clean up some of our code. It's not it's not completely done. We're not 100% done with cleaning our code. It's not as easily understandable as it should be, but we're working on it. Why does One UI Home keep stopping? Won't be noticeable, but still will be there. We plan on making this update live after the podcast today. This post goes live while we're talking about it live. You probably can see me fiddling with my tablet as you're watching the stream. What? No, I'm not. I'm not fiddling with my tablet. Me? Fiddle with my tablet? No. Ew, gross. That sounds gross. Let me just make these two posts live. I should have made these the JoiBoi post live before. I completely forgot about that part. Completely forgot that's what I'm supposed to be doing. Public update. There we go. We have more stuff we got to talk about. Don't worry. I'm not ending just yet. I have two more big announcements to make, I think. Let me check. I didn't fully read the thing. I only read part of it. Yes, we've got a heap of more things to talk about, and these are exciting. These next bits are very exciting. Alright. Let me just open that up. Let me add another string marker to remind me later, edit this, fix this. I should probably have shared this here. Click paste. Don't show this again. I don't want to know about that. Okay. There we go. That was very rude of me. But anyway. So. Guess what? I don't know why I wrote that. But guess what? We're working on a game show, right? So we're... Exciting indeed. Yeah, very exciting. We're working on an actual game show. So, what is this show, you may ask? Well, why did I write this? Why did I write it like this? This is so weird. In basic terms, 5 software developers, 5 challenges, 1 winner. We give each person 1 week to complete a predefined challenge. I have the next challenge ready for, right now, ready to be sent to everybody. The winner is the person who does good in a few different categories. So things like, why you pong twice? because I can. Because I can. There isn't much information I'm willing to give on this just yet, because we're still editing videos. Then okay. Oh, watching me while you're editing. Oh, my heart. Yeah. So this will go live. I expect the first. Like, the plan is to release the first episode on the 5th of December. That is a long time away, so that gives us enough time to, like, at least create a few episodes of this game show. But it gives everyone at least a week to complete each challenges, and our judges at least a week to judge each submission. This also gives myself, a week to edit each episode. And then it also means that we'll be able to work on the next episode. It basically gives us enough time to create a few episodes. We'll be uploading different promotional material onto the Lockyz Dev Games YouTube channel. So that's the thing that's where we're going to be uploading the whole game show, right? So the plan is, this is season 1, right? And then I want to do multiple different seasons with different people, sort of thing. I think it'll be fun. But yeah, so this post gets to go live. But yeah, basically, in basic terms, we're working on a game show. The plan is to actually send off the first episode in December. So yeah, December's probably like way too long. We might end up bringing it in sooner, but I don't know. Anyway, our last announcement for the Discord peeps, of which there are none. There is no one within the Discord listening to me right now, so, you know, I'm sad. That's another stream marker. This next announcement is about a little game titled Monsty Corp. Alright, so Monsty Corp is a stealth action game currently in development. Today we're officially announcing the return of the game. I feel like I've done that. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I did. But anyway, we're going to be changing up the story and making many features that y'all won't expect. Why did I write it like that? Anyway, I was watching Technoblade, but you sent another Pong, so I thought it was something important. Screw you. I was announcing the game show that you're a part of, so... Fucking... Oh. I'm not supposed to swear on here. Recently, we started work on creating the first part of the game that requires player's choice. Basically, as you see in the video... What? I didn't prepare the video. I was supposed to prepare a video? What? Yeah, no. I screwed up. I didn't prepare the video. I'll probably show you guys what that looks like once we get into the game. So basically, out the front of the Monster Corp facility, you get to talk to a security guard. Right? This security guard, you've got to so basically you're given the choice to either trick the security guard or find your other way around the fence, right? If you cannot successfully get into the facility, you get a game over. You get a certain amount of time to make this choice. If you do not make the choice within that amount of time, you get a game over, because, you know, ooh, he did a bad shut up. So you basically have to go in stealthily or trick the guy at the front. There is secret information about this guy at the front that will probably mean that if you guys knew this information, you'd be more likely to talk to the guy at the front than find a stealthy way to get in. But however, I'm not revealing that information just yet. No, you'll have to find that out when you actually play the game. But yeah, so both choices you pick have other choices that branch off of that, right? So the choice to sneak in has other choices branching off of that. Why am I don't know. And then the choice to talk to the security guard has other branches. Uh, the security guard can also cause a game over, so can sneaking in. The sneaking in section is technically easier and has less branching options. However, it's also the boring way to get in, if that makes sense. Talking to the security guard has heaps more branching options, right? And it is specifically made to be more interesting. But it might end up being a little bit harder or easier depending on what I end up doing in the end. Yeah, hold on. I actually have a thing of choices, like an actual. Hold on, give me a sec. Let me just show off my Discord screen, my Discord window. Add. Display capture. Add source. Add source. Display 1. As you can see, there are many different branches. I do have to clean this up. This is an older version. Oh, what did I do? Alright, so as you can see, when you actually say to talk to the security guard, you have so many different options to pick from. I really very vigorously blurred this shit out, didn't I? Your first choice is here. You get to choose yes or no. If you choose no, you get more branching options. If you choose yes, it's quicker to get inside, right? This is very much not done. This is very not done. This is not the complete list of things that you get to do. If you decide to simply just walk around and stealthily get in, there is a 50% chance once you get to this point that you could die. Or, just get a game over. I am so confused. Why is Streamlabs having issues? Y'all can still hear me, right? Like, my Streamlabs is just being broken, isn't it? Okay, yeah, I think my Streamlabs is just broken. What else have I written here? Robin, finish writing this before the stream, thank you. Oh. Yeah, no, I did not do that. I shall fix that up later. Anyway, that's the end for the Discord portion. My apologies to the 0 Discord people. To like all of you Discord people there. Like there's totally more than me in Discord right now. Yeah, let's get to the YouTube, just the simple YouTube side of things. So YouTube. Give me a sec, actually. I do have to quickly disable my camera, and I have to get to a certain thing. So, just a sec. Just moving my microphone around. I'll mute that, actually. Alright, microphone is back. I have to quickly drag Oops. Drag that to there. Then let's quickly open up Unity, right? So I'm going to show you guys what I forgot to actually record. I'm going to show you guys what I forgot to record, right? Me, a dumbass? Nah. Impossible. But me fix my mistake, you know, that's definitely possible. I swear, is my voice being transmitted? That it is. Okay, cool. That was an issue that I was afraid of, because I wasn't seeing I'm not seeing the thing show up on Streamlabs. So I'm assuming my Streamlabs is having issues because my computer is crap. Anyway, so I'm just loading up Unity. Give me a minute. An update is available. Oh my god. You know, we won't convert that just yet. I was gonna quickly create a build of the game before the stream, but I completely forgot about it. Oh, ignore my yawning. I'm exhausted. I didn't sleep properly last night. Oh, no. Wrong role for that person. There we go. There we go. That works. That fixed that. English. I am good at it. Live chat. Move that to there. Yup. Yeah. There we go. There we go, that works better for me. Now I've got both the chat and Streamlabs on the same screen. So, yeah. I can see all your losers speaking in the... Well, no one's actually speaking in the chat, but still. I might actually create a poll. Yeah, let's create that. Let's create that. Let's create that. Let's see if that actually worked. I don't know whether that works or not. Do you wanna see some spoilers? God, I can't sing. Oh, why am I tired? I'm just gonna end the poll there. I don't need everyone's opinions. That was very not a good thing to say. Anyway, god damn it. I love it when this happens. I haven't even changed anything. I haven't opened this project in a week? Yeah, a week. I haven't opened this in about a week. So it's, it might take a little bit to load. I do apologize for that. It's taking a bit. It's taking its sweet time. This is taking a while. It's a lot longer than I expected it to. Oh, yeah, there we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. I'm actually going to load this from the main menu. So I can quickly fix something that I've got to fix. Scenes. Main menu. Ignore Ricardo ending, by the way. That was a temporary. Oh. Why have I still got that there? Oh, I thought I got rid of that. Gross. Gross. Oh yeah, no. I've got to add the city into this scene so it actually looks good. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys some spoilers. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I've got to connect my controller. Anyway. Oh, I forgot that didn't work. Let's continue. Let's continue playing this game that we haven't started playing yet. Oh, actually, no. Wait, hold on. Oh, I did not finish that. Actually, I gotta turn on maximize on play, just so that you guys can see it better. Really? There we go. But yeah, so there's now sound effects. Ew. Let's click continue. Alright. Oh, I hate how very unsensitive this is. This needs to be more sensitive. Oh. Yeah, that's not supposed to happen. My pal told me a story about a haunted sandwich. Do you want to hear it? You get to choose from either, no. Sorry. Or, yes? With a big question mark. Ha. I broke it. It broke. What the? It broke. What? Why? I forgot that I only set this up to be a linear path at the moment. It's not meant to be complete just yet. It's 100%, you know, you can only go one way at the moment. So I haven't finished writing all the dialogue and shit for everything else. I'm very close with it though. I've got the script prepared for when voice acting gets added into the game. My pal told me a story about a haunted sandwich. Oh no, I can't do his voice. Do you want to hear it? Yes? This story is about a haunted sandwich. Oh, shut up, Blue. Where if you eat it, you would get haunted, and then laughs maniacally. And then asterisk, asterisk. 1 hour later, asterisk, asterisk. Because like the original dialogue that we had for this was very much literally just ended at my pal told me a story about a haunted sandwich where if you, I don't remember the story, but it's about a haunted sandwich where if you ate it you would get haunted, and that's literally all that was written. I don't. Yeah. That was all that was originally written, so I've altered it so it actually works in this. That way I can still use the original, if the voice isn't changed, I can use the original voice clip and have it here, but just cut it up so that it works with this. Okay, can I go inside the facility? I guess. Nothing's stopping you. Or is it? Oh. Yeah, I am a very disrespectful asshat, but, yeah, no, don't say that in the chat. Or is it? I wouldn't know. I'm just a security guard. I don't know. I've got to change the dialogue a bit. It doesn't exactly fit with his character. There we go. It's broken again. Hooray! It doesn't actually end the dialogue for some reason. I've got to fix that. Especially before we end up releasing, which will probably be in a few 100 years. But anyway, I'm sorry, Blue. I'm sorry, Blue. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry, my dude. I had to. I had to try out the voice. I know I'm terrible at it, but you know I had to try out the voice. I strive to be a voice actor. A terrible voice actor, but I strive to be a voice actor. Anyway. that will end the stream for today. I do hope y'all enjoyed, and I might see you guys next time with the release of Monsty Corp, maybe. Who knows? What am I doing? I might... God damn. I might release the game eventually. I might release it. I'll think about it.